Hey, what's going on guys? So in today's video, I will show you how to download Fortnite in your mobile device. So let's start. So first open up a web browser and search for Epic Games Launcher. Okay, so select the first result and download Epic Games Launcher. Okay, so after the download is completed, go ahead and install Epic Games Launcher. Now after installing, click on Open. And here, tap on Update. So here you need to change your settings to allow installing of other APKs. Alright, now after installing, click on Open. Alright, and from here, you can enable auto update. Now from the list of games here, you can tap on Fortnite. Now in my device, it is not supported, but if you have a higher specifications on your device, you should be able to install this and run in your device. So that's it for this video guys. Thank you for watching and I will see you in the next one.